I'm decorating for Christmas. It's November 1st. And this is the first time that I will be home for 2 weeks for a break. And I'm a little sad. First adult Christmas. Decorating the house. Hi! It's December 1st and we woke up to snow. Let me show you. Snow, look, it's stuck. Happy December. I'm going to watch Home Alone. And oh God, it's gonna be there. And I'm so excited.
Christmas carol. For Christmas, please come home for Christmas. If not for Christmas, by New Year's time. Friends and relations send salutations.
That was so cool. That was so cool.
As the stars shine above.
How precious.
This is Christmas. Yes, Christmas, my dear. It's the time of year to be with the one you love.
Chris light.
So won't you tell me you'll never more roam Christmas and New Year.
First official adult Christmas, and I'm kind of sad. I'm home after Christmas with my family for myself.
And I'll be happy, happy once again.
Christmas nights, First time at the bean for Allison. It's her moment. We got 7 seconds. 7 seconds.